What if you take an expired medicine? What will happen to you then? There is a chance to happen two things. Number one, reaction. You will get a negative medical action. That's called, it will negatively affect your body. That's called reaction. And second thing is no action. Because no action, you are using a medicine to get some positive action to your body, but you're getting nothing. You get nothing. That's called no action. These two actions can happen to your body if you take an expired medicine. If you become expired in your industry, in your business, in your sales process, you can create two things: negative action or no action. You cannot close the deal, or you will lose the customer forever. What is the solution? Of course, be updated. Make sure your capability is not expiring. So your today's capability has to expire and update it for the next time. So if you're not updating your capability, communication skill in your business or sales, you will become expired and you cannot handle your customers, your market, your product, nothing. So make sure you are updated always. This is the most important thing in sales as well as in business. This is me, Casac Benjali, the business coach and the sales expert.